Hi, today we're going to make some, cook some bacon wrapped shrimp in the Dutch oven using Papa Fred's Magic Grate. But what I have here is I got some large shrimp and then I peeled them. You leave the tails on, but we're going to marinate these for a few hours. So there's about 20 in there. Yeah, it looks good. And then we freshly squeeze, this is about a half a cup of lemon juice, but before I do that, I'm getting ahead of myself. This is the cilantro, so let's mix this in here first. This will be great. Do that, kind of mix this around. Okay. I'll pour the lemon juice on here, and then we're just going to put this in the fridge and marinate it. It'll probably marinate 6 hours or so, I think. Put a little pink Himalayan salt on here. And then I'm going to pour water just to cover the shrimp. So we'll get this going. That looks pretty good. So there we go. We'll just put them in the fridge and next step is we'll wrap them with bacon. So we'll see you later on. Okay, we're wrapping the shrimp with bacon now. So it was in the fridge for about 7 hours. But I just used thin bacon and then cut the slices in half. Use a half a slice per shrimp. Then I just wrap it right around and then we just lay it right on the Magic Grate. You don't need to flip these when we cook them, so we don't need a skewer or anything. But yeah, just wrap them up and just set them right on here. Looks pretty dang good. Okay, we'll get them all wrapped. I'll go start the briquettes and we'll go to the next step where we're cooking them up. So we'll see you back. Okay, we're ready, so let's get this going. This is the Dutch oven we're going to cook the bacon wrapped shrimp in, so it's been preheating for about 10 minutes. But we're going to use this cute little 8-inch Dutch oven. I'm going to set it, I have 6 coals on the bottom there. And we'll drizzle a little olive oil in here. And we have these cute little, they're called nibbles. That's pretty fun. I'm just going to put them in here. Oh, look at that.
Red taters?
So we'll do that, and then let me put a little more oil. Let's sprinkle them with a little salt, a little pepper. We're going to cook these around 400 degrees. So with this little teeny 8-inch Dutch oven, I have 6 on the bottom, and we'll just kind of fill the top up with coals. Probably want about 12 to 14 or so. And they'll probably, I'm guessing they'll probably cook in 15 to 20 minutes. So it's a little hot. Add those on there. Pretty good. Let's do that. I'm actually going to put this glove on since I'm doing all this right now. But then in the 10-inch Dutch oven, we're going to cook some asparagus. So let's get about 8 coals here. Get them like that. Take that off. And then we're going to use the Magic Grate. This is Papa Fred's Magic Grate. You can check these out at papafreds.com. But I'm going to pour a little water in here. This will get a little steam going. But I want to keep the water level just under the Magic Grate. And then I'll set this in here. It has 2 levels. I think I'll do the short level on this. Looks pretty good, like that. And here's the asparagus. Just set this in. It'll be good. There's a ton of fires, I'm sure everybody knows, but man, it's smoky here.
There's lemons and garlic.
Yeah, there's lemons,
Seasoned
a couple
butter.
lemons, and this is garlic butter.
That would be a garlic herb butter.
Jenny.
What? I'm just
I
saying
said
what.
garlic butter.
Well, there's herbs in it.
Okay, garlic butter with herbs. And then we'll just kind of load this up. Probably cook this around 400 degrees. So with the 10-inch Dutch oven, you want 8 on the bottom and about 16 on top. Just throw these on. I'll check it after we get this going. Yeah, that's gonna be good. This is a whole, I just lit a whole charcoal chimney full, and it looks like it's gonna be about perfect. So let's do that. Remove that water. And then let's get this bacon wrapped shrimp going. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah. A little dry. I'm gonna just put a little oil down in there just to get a little moisture going. Like that. Look at these. There's 20 of them. Just wrapped them. I'll just set them right down in there. Woo! Hot! There you go. So I'm thinking it's going to take like 15 to 20 minutes, and this should all be good about that. So 20 minutes, so let's check it in 15, so we'll see you back. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. I can smell this shrimp. Let's take a look and see what it's doing. Oh my heck. That looks pretty dang good. That's hot on my hand. Yeah, that's looking good. So we can put the lid back on. I'm sure it's fine to cook a few more minutes. And let's go right down the line. So next in line is this asparagus. Oh, look at that. That is pretty dang good. Yep, that's done. So put the lid back on. And now we have these cute little potatoes. If I can, there's so many coals on here. There we go. Oh, look at that. Look at those little fellows. Let me see if they might need it. They're still just a little bit firm. Maybe it's from ones on the bottom. It pokes down in there, but they're still just a little bit firm. So, let's put the lid back on here. I think I'll adjust the heat here to compensate for the potatoes being done. We'll pull it off the bottom heat, and then we'll probably see you back in like 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. It's been 10 minutes, so I think we're all good. But it smells delicious. Holy smoke. Look at those shrimp.
Ooh.
Check that out. Yummy. Let's get a few of these out here. Then I'll put the lid back on. This, it smells so good. Then the asparagus. What I did, I just took all the heat off both these while we cooked the potatoes from the bottom and the top. But look at that. Delicious. So there's that. And now our cute little potatoes. Get the lid lifter in there. Around all those charcoals. There we go. They're sizzling away there. Yeah. That's pretty dang good. Get those in there. There we go. I'll put this back on. Let's taste one of these. I think I'll taste a potato first. Idaho potatoes. We're in Idaho. Hot. Yummy. Mmm. Delicious. Asparagus. Oh, that's so good. That cooked up good. The Magic Grate worked great. It steamed that asparagus great. Mmm. And here's this bacon wrapped shrimp. Mmm. Yummy. That is so good. Mmm. Yeah, marinated.